Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back. I know it's been a minute. That's okay. That's okay. Don't y'all charge me too bad for that. Charge to me and I'm hard. Love y'all to death. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be where I am. But today, man, we got a little journey we gotta take because the cam dog is acting up, man. Cam dog acting up a little bit. Put that in there. And we ain't having it. Cause we can't have baby getting stuck in the cam dog, man. Now I got it started, but this ain't how we get down, man. I'm gonna show y'all what the cam dog doing. Cut it off. Let me see if it's gonna do it. See if it's gonna do it again. Nah, I fired straight up then. Fired straight up. I'm talking about. Wasn't doing it at first. Y'all see how it drug right then? But at first it was like, then it stopped. So, I already know, man, it's cold out here. I already know. It's gotta be that battery because the alternator ain't bad. I know the alternator ain't bad. And it ain't the starter, so. I'm finna go on ahead and shoot down here to Walmart. See if we can grab a battery real quick. Slap that thing up in there. I already got the tools in the car. So we're gonna change it at the Walmart. Now y'all see what your boy got going on, man. Y'all see what's going on? Hold on, let me move that. It's that artillery up in there. Y'all see what your boy got going on, man. Good old ain't, man. Y'all just get y'all something, man. Get y'all a set, man. Get y'all a hoodie. Get y'all a t-shirt, man. Know what I'm saying? I'm about to have t-shirts back in stock. Man, I got a couple sweatsuits left. It's like every time I put the sweatsuits in the store, man, they sell out. So I appreciate y'all for that. Whoever doing that. Yeah, man, I'm about to put some hoodies in there. I'm about to put some Ain't Man hoodies and some Below Nation hoodies up, man. Yeah, we're finna come back with that Below Nation, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't think I'm gonna go Below Nation on the sweatsuit, but I'm gonna definitely do it on the hoodie, man. We're gonna do the hoodies. We're gonna do. I'm gonna turn this heat back on. We're gonna do that. Do some t-shirts. I got some other stuff brewing too, man, as far as the t-shirts and everything. So, yeah. Heat back on. 'Cause I think she finna go with me. So, yeah, there she go right there. So, yeah. Also, today, man, we gonna pull my rolls out the garage, man, and I'm gonna let y'all know everything, man. I'm gonna let y'all know everything that needs to be done to May Rose, man, to get her in tip-top shape. Let y'all know everything. Pull her out. Might wash it. I don't know. It's kind of. I don't know why I would wash it, but it's kind of dirty, so I might. And I'm gonna let y'all know everything that I plan to do as far as what needs to be done. And maybe a few upgrades. You know what I'm saying? Stuff that y'all probably already know. But yeah, man, let me go in here. Get Mama Bear. And yeah, Mama Bear ready. I already got the car in the car. Mama Bear ready to go, y'all. Look out. Gone. Out of here. Little dude must be woke. See, little dude woke. There you go, little dude. Say good morning.
Daddy.
Hey, say good morning. Hey, get that Pop-Tart off the couch. Pick it up and eat it. Got my living room looking like a jungle. Alright, let me see if I got everything. And I do. So I gotta go to Finna go to Walmart. I gotta pick up a few things. And yeah, so we also may or may not have an announcement to make. Do we have an announcement to make? You don't know? You turned the radio off? Yeah, we may or may not have an announcement to make. So let's go down here, shoot to the Walmart real quick. Say good morning, Moon Bear.
Go ahead.
Man, she dry as hell with y'all in.
What you want me to do?
Do flips. Do something nice.
I can't do no flips, but
Do some nice gestures.
I jump up and down.
Not the middle finger either. But anyway, I'm finna shoot to the Walmart and see what they got for us. Get y'all in a second. Yeah, just like that. Back, man. Put the battery on. Went to old Walmart, man. Got us a battery. It's about a 10-minute turnaround. We went shopping and everything. 10 minutes. Back on the road.
I don't like being Walmart nowhere.
Yeah, she don't like being in Walmart. Walmart gives her anxiety. There's too many people.
Well, in the morning time, it's fine.
Well, it's definitely morning time. But yeah, man, we got an announcement for the YouTube fam. But I'm gonna make y'all wait a little bit longer until we get to that. Cause man, that's shit.
What's the announcement?
You don't know what the announcement is? I'm rich! No, I'm just playing. Boy.
So goofy.
We gonna
What's the announcement?
you don't know what the announcement is? We gotta go to the apartment then.
The apartment.
Yeah, we gotta go to the apartment so we can tell them the announcement.
We ain't stay in no apartment. I don't know how long.
Yeah, man. I gotta take the battery back. I didn't know if they were gonna be acting crazy and if we were gonna leave up with the battery or not. That's why I ain't take it off. But yeah, man, we back on the road. She got some things she got to do. But man, the cam dog feels 40 miles an hour faster. I'm telling you, man, I want some smoke, man. You know what I mean? I got it in the cam dog. Ain't that right about? No, don't race the cam dog.
This is a family car.
Ain't no family car.
Yes, it is. That's what Drake said. Drake said it's a family car.
Can't listen to Drake all the time. You only listen to Drake when he talking to 21.
I don't know, listen to him then. Listen to the old Drake.
Crying Drake.
No, he telling the truth.
Yeah. But anyway, we're finna pull up at the house, y'all, so I'll let y'all in a hot second. Yeah, we're back at the house. So, I noticed something yesterday when I was out here looking at the car. She's definitely gonna need another one of those. Yeah, old Rock got her. So, I have to order another fog light assembly. But yeah, let me see what's going on in here. Get my bag. Yeah, man, gotta get back on these vlogs, man. The girl in Walmart asked, man, super shoes. Where's your pants? Where's your pants, buddy? Huh? Where's your pants? Oh, just socks. But where's your pants? You don't know? This dude don't like wearing pants. Wonder where he gets that from. The tree guys. First time. I got a light bill. I don't know what that is. Downs and Grass Street. Credit card bill. But yeah, so you put your insoles in? Feel better? You stand up all day and I'm jumping. Jump around. Let's go hoop. Wanna go hoop? Baby wanna hoop, y'all. The what's it called? Speaking of what's it calls.
The baby.
Yeah. So that's kind of the announcement. She just got. You got your keys? I put them on the table. I put them on the table.
I put them on the table.
Actually, finna get them. Yeah. So somebody
got me pregnant.
has been working. Right there. Right there. She been working. And yeah. She has a growth on the front of her body that is unexplainable. Show on the baby bump, baby. Yeah. Look at that. Y'all can see because of the sun. Look at that.
Could you get my pistol out the car and my charger out the truck?
Damn, you finna have a baby? You running like that?
I ain't got time to be playing with these niggas in Memphis.
Thug ass nigga, man. But yeah, man. So we are having a baby, man. Having a baby. Ain't that something? And yeah. I mean, that's just it. We're having a baby. You need this charger too? The plug too? You need the plug too? The plug. Oh shit. Hold on, y'all. Yeah.
Now, baby, you need some lotion.
Unrest?
This mine?
Yeah.
Oh, this yours.
Yeah. Unrested? Oh yeah. Yeah, unrested. I just woke up.
Some Earl.
I don't want no Earl. I'll be goddamn looking like how my mama used to send me to school.
That's what you need to look like.
Nah, I'll be looking like the sun shining only on me. But yeah, man. So Ashley finna have a baby.
We finna have a baby.
So but y'all stay on the lookout for that, man. The due date is July something, so.
What?
It is. They didn't give us a definite date, did it?
It's between July 1st and 5th.
Between July 1st and 5th.
We don't know the 6th.
We don't know the 6th. And we will let y'all know when we find out, I'm assuming. We ain't doing no gender reveals and all that okay shit.
We ain't doing that.
But yeah, man.
Let y'all know when we go.
We gonna let y'all know. For sure.
I gotta go.
But she gotta go. For sure. Where she go with that shit? Man, you got a new battery. Ooh, them lips shining only on you. Man, the sun shining only on you.
Renee.
You too, baby. Love you. Yeah, so got that knocked out. Battery. All the good stuff. So she's off. She ain't gotta worry about nobody. I ain't want her out here, man. Nobody trying to boost her off and all that old stuff. Cause when she parking, she had to leave her hazards on and to drain the battery. So got that done. And she coming back. Hold on. Let me hit y'all back. Yeah. So really what I wanted to come back and say was, yeah, man, we got a little work to do. I want to do something with the Chevy today. Pull it out. Sit out in the yard or whatever. Just let it get some sun. Talk to y'all about what all needs to be done, what all going on. I gotta start holding my camera better. But yeah, yet again, man, if y'all ain't, man, heard of it, I got this Ain't It Man merch going on, man. Ain't It Man gear. Yeah, man, y'all need to get y'all some, man. Go to the store, BLONationLLC.com, man. Copy out some of it, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to come up with some new designs, new t-shirts, new sweatshirts. Probably hoodie and the regular sweatshirts. I'm gonna have new hats, skull caps, and snapbacks. All that stuff will be coming soon, man. So, yeah. But yeah, we got work to do, man, because the Firebird, man. The Firebird is in distress. Firebird in distress, man. The water pump, man. The water pump going bad on me in the Firebird. So I have to go ahead and do that. Which at first I thought it was the heater core, but due to further investigation, I found out that it was definitely the water pump. So I gotta go and get a water pump, put that on the Firebird. I might do it today, might not, depending on how I feel. I really don't feel like doing nothing, but it needs to be done. So might do that. I got a couple drop-offs today for some sweatsuits. We'll call pickups, because I guess they're gonna come pick them up or drop them off, whatever. But we gotta do that, and yeah, we're gonna get into this shit. So man, let me get prepared to do what I need to do, man. I need to take this battery back for the core, and yeah, I'm gonna get my day started, man. So it's your dog, man. Big B-Lo, Mr. Ain't It Man.